Hi, I'm Elsie and welcome to my channel. I started this space sharing delicious meals that I make for my family, but I have since started a personal transformation journey and I want you to come along with me. I'll be sharing my weight loss journey and everything that I'm doing in between, everything that I'm learning, everything that is working, things that are not working, and just what real life looks like when you're on a weight loss journey. I'm also on a microloc journey, and as you can see, my hair is really doing wonderful. I am almost about to hit a milestone, so I want to start sharing my journey with you. The do's and don'ts, the lessons that I've learned, the mistakes, just everything microlocs. So I'm just trying to take care of myself and show up more intentionally. So I hope you come along on this journey with me. If you're interested in realistic lifestyle changes, weight loss, simple meals, and personal growth, I'm glad you're here. This journey is still in progress, so I'd like for you to stick around. Who knows, you might learn a thing or two, and I as well from you. So let's go on this journey together. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one.